How to buy $USA, American Coin Crypto America Token, How to buy USA MEMECOIN Solana COINEX Global Blockchain. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and the information provided here is not intended as financial advice. Always conduct your own research, DYOR, before investing in any project, especially cryptocurrencies, as they can be highly volatile and risky. How to buy American Coin, USA Token. Hey everyone, Helper Dog here, back with another video for all you crypto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into American Coin, ticker symbol, USA, a token that has recently been listed on a major exchange. I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this token and how you can buy it. But before we jump into it, please remember that this video is not financial advice. I'm not a professional financial advisor, so always take everything in this video with a grain of salt and make sure to do your own research before making any investment decisions. Step 1. Token Overview. What is American Coin? American Coin, USA, is a project that's gaining traction, especially after its recent listing on CoinEx Global. The token was listed on January 20th, 2025, and it's been showing impressive growth since then. Let's take a look at the key details of the token. Ticker symbol, USA. Blockchain, Solana. Current holders, 1,210. 24-hour trading volume, $267.9 million. Price change in 24 hours, plus 76.41%. Liquidity, $5.8 million, with 99.55% of liquidity locked and burned, making it more secure for investors. American Coin is built on the Solana blockchain, known for its fast transactions and low fees. It's gaining attention not just because of its growth, but because of the community and the overall project vision. This token is a meme coin, so be aware that it comes with the usual risks associated with meme coins, such as high volatility and speculative trading. Step 2. How to buy American Coin, USA Token. There are several ways to buy American Coin, USA, but I'll focus on two main options: CoinEx Global and decentralized exchanges like Radium and Jupiter on the Solana network. Option 1. Buying on CoinEx Global. CoinEx Global is one of the main platforms where you can buy American Coin. If you don't have an account, here's how to get started. Create an account on CoinEx Global. Go to CoinEx Global's website and sign up for an account. Check the description for my referral link, which may offer benefits for both of us. Fund your account. Deposit USDT, Tether, or any other stablecoin or fiat currency into your CoinEx account. You can fund your account via a bank transfer or using other supported methods like cryptocurrency deposits. Go to the trade section. Once your account is funded, go to the trade section on CoinEx Global. In the search bar, type USA, the ticker for American Coin. Buy the token. After selecting the USA token, choose how much USDT you want to swap for American Coin. Review your transaction and click to confirm the purchase. Transaction complete. Once your purchase is complete, the tokens will appear in your CoinEx account. From here, you can withdraw them to your personal wallet if you prefer. Option 2. Buying on decentralized exchanges, DEXs, like Radium or Jupiter. If you want to buy American Coin directly from a decentralized exchange, DEX, you can use platforms like Radium or Jupiter, which run on the Solana blockchain. Here's a step-by-step guide. Get a Solana-compatible wallet. First, download and set up a Solana-compatible wallet, such as Phantom, Trust Wallet, or Solflare. You can get these wallets as mobile apps, iOS/Android, or as browser extensions. Fund your wallet with SOL. You'll need SOL, Solana, to pay for transaction fees and to swap for American Coin. You can buy SOL on an exchange like CoinEx, Binance, or Kraken, and then transfer it to your wallet. Go to a DEX, Radium, or Jupiter. Open your wallet and connect it to a DEX like Radium or Jupiter. These platforms support Solana-based tokens, including USA. Find the contract address for USA token. You can find the contract address for American Coin either on the official Twitter account of the project or the website. Always double-check that you're using the correct contract address to avoid buying the wrong token. Swap SOL for USA tokens. Once connected, select the SOL/USA pair and choose how much SOL you want to exchange for American Coin. Review the details, adjust slippage if necessary, though it's typically not needed for this token, and confirm the swap. Transaction complete. After confirming, the tokens will be sent to your wallet. You can view them in your wallet app or extension. Step 3. Important notes about fees and slippage. Slippage tolerance. When buying tokens on decentralized exchanges, sometimes you may need to adjust your slippage tolerance. This is a setting that allows for price fluctuations between when you initiate a transaction and when it's finalized. Usually, it's set to around 1%, but if you're having trouble, try adjusting it to 2% or higher. Gas fees. When buying tokens on Solana-based exchanges, you'll need to pay small gas fees for the transaction. These are typically low on Solana, but make sure you have a bit of SOL in your wallet to cover these costs. Step 4. Where to get more information. For the latest updates, news, and announcements regarding MEMECOIN, make sure to check out their official channels. Twitter at USA On Chain. Telegram at American Coin USA. These channels will keep you updated on new partnerships, token listings, and community events. Reminder: always do your own research, DYOR. Investing in cryptocurrency comes with risks, and prices can be highly volatile. Before making any investment, make sure to carefully consider your options and never invest more than you are willing to lose. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more educational content on crypto and finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.